Oh, for fuck's sake. Ugh. Oh, I don't have my hard drive mounted. Okay. There we go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I need to post the post. It's time to post the post. Okay. I need to remember what the hell I was doing. Also, I need to pop out this chat. Maybe I'll open it in Firefox just in case. Just in case Chrome breaks again. As it tends to do. I want this. Don't want this. I don't want this either. Okay, is it working? Hello? Yes, it is working. Okay, great. I wish I could hide this toolbar thing. Actually, if I make it full screen and then... No, if I force it out of full screen and it detects, then force it out. Wish I could hide this stuff. Oh well. Wait, can I... like make an app or something? Oh no, stream health is yellow. Whatever that means. Video output low. That's fine. It's running fine, so fucking who cares? Wait. Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait, where's my bitrate? Where's my actual video bitrate? It doesn't say. It does not say. Twitch says, but this one YouTube thing doesn't say. Anyway. I don't think I can hide this stuff. It's really annoying. Maybe there's an add-on I can use, but fucking whatever. I'll just open it in Chrome. I'll keep this one in the background just in case. So close this stuff. This, so I don't get distracted. Put this bookmark bar away. Okay. Wait, actually, let's close this and pop it out, and it should give me... There we go. A simple window. I could have done that in YouTube, Firefox, probably. This is fascinating live content, I'm sure. That doesn't really actually make the window much simpler. Whatever. Okay. Put this away. Close this. This on top. Reminder to take my medicine, which I'm going to postpone. Close. Okay. Good. Let's start working. Online bookmark bar back. Okay. What was this called? Squish. No, I don't need that part. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, and I need my image, which I believe is in here. Image.jpg. There's my cat, my large image of my cat. Let me copy that into PMP so I have quick access to it. Okay. Let me check that it does work, because I haven't actually tested this. I was just testing it. I was just uploading like an image to eBay, and it was like, oh, this is just a black screen. And I was like, no, it's not. And I disabled hardware acceleration, and that fixed it. So it works here. So great. Okay. So let's get rid of this debug stuff, which is no longer necessary. Oh god, now I have to remember where that stuff is. Oh, I think this is it. Yeah, this is definitely it. I don't need the canvas, I just need the results. Do I even need the results? Not sure I do. Da, 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 da. I don't. Da, da, da. Wait, append. No, okay, there's no more append children. I believe this is an IMG, right? Oh, good. Yes, this is an IMG. So the other one I don't need. It was just a canvas, I believe. And now I should just have the IMG, if I'm not mistaken. I am mistaken. Did I not save? I did save. And what the hell is this? The hell is this coming from? Come on. It's taking a while. Oh, I still have stuff that's like logging giant URLs into my console. Console log. I'm gonna keep this quality stuff. Wait. Was it just cached? Let me disable cache. I think that's what happened. It was just cached. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's more like it. Okay. This is annoying though, because I'm never actually going to end up with a quality lower than 1, I don't think. Because just like resizing it to this size pretty much means that it's going to be small enough to fit in like 5 megs or whatever Mastodon's limit is. So I'm not even sure that I need to keep this quality stuff. I don't know. Great looking, great tasting dish that's a snap to prepare. Okay, so I've got my function is working. Everything is working. Let me try to remember how this goes. Should probably go down here. Wait. Oh, actually, yeah. This depends on input. Maybe it shouldn't. Yeah, it shouldn't. It really shouldn't. Let's say async function accept file. And then input add event listener is going to do accept file input files 0. I am assuming that there will be a file selected, which is not correct. I should at some point replace that with a thing that I'm gonna leave a comment here. To do handle case where 0 files were selected. Okay. I put that on top instead of on the bottom. Okay, let's check that this still works. It does. Okay, great. Fantastic. Let me see if I can do, because the next step is I want to automatically download this image. I don't even know if I want to display it. Well, we'll see. But I want to download it automatically, and I believe. Oh, I should probably just like return. Ah, this is gross. This should be like an actual. Ah, this sucks. The bounds image, press optimally. So I've got this blob, and then okay, instead of doing this, I'm just gonna get rid of the IMG, or I'm gonna comment it. Oops. For now. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm getting rid of this, and instead I'm going to let A is going to be a document create element A. A download loads. I can't remember how A download actually works. Download, there it is. This attribute blah blah blah. If the attribute has a value, it is used as the pre-filled name. Well, okay. That's good. I don't know what. Well, let's just make it resized. And .jpg for now. Maybe I'll change that at some point. I don't know. And then ASRC is going to be URL. Whoops. URL. Create object URL blob. Okay, and then how do I generate a click object? It's like, or click events. I can't remember. JavaScript generate a click. How to simulate a click? Wait, can I really just do control click? What?
But of course, what happens if we want to control it somewhere else in the house where we can't reach
fire events? What the fuck is fire events?
And to do that, we can use.
I feel like this is probably a. No, it is a thing. Okay. Oh, this is a proper. Okay, I don't want to use this. This is an Internet Explorer thing, so I don't want it. Otherwise, I can create event. Okay, let's see. What the hell? Create events. Me? Excuse me. Okay, that's the event constructor. Custom event. So can I just do like custom event click and then nothing in here, I guess, because I don't actually pass it anything special. So yeah, new custom event click, and then what do I do with that? Let's click event is sad face new custom event. Click. Yay. Okay. And then, how do I, like, I don't know, fire this? Oh, this is just, how do I fire this on the thing? Is there just like a tutorial of some sort? Because I can't be bothered to read all of this. Creating and triggering events. Okay, that sounds like what I want. It just says events instead of custom events. Maybe I should just use event then. I don't know why it told me to use custom events. Oh, it doesn't say anything about the event constructor. Try to look for that. Constructor events. Okay, then why did you tell me to use... Why does it only say custom event in here? Because I'm in custom event. Okay, great. Events. Okay. Alright, sure. Okay, let's just make a event click. Event click. And then how do I use this? Document dispatch event. No, that's not. I need to actually... Oh, is document the like elements? The event listener? I just did air quotes even though you couldn't see that. Let me see. Yeah, elements. Wait, no. Element dispatch event. Okay, great. So a dispatch event, or click event, and hopefully this should. Whoops. Hopefully this should automatically download my image. Boop. Nothing happened. Nothing has happened. Okay, that's kind of... That's not correct. That's not what I want. Ah! What? Why? What does it have to be a mouse event? Why? This is annoying. Why can't I just make it an event? Okay, I'll just make it a mouse event, I guess. Maybe that will fix it. This is very using mouse events. Beep. Boop. Nope, didn't do anything. Okay. It didn't log anything in the console either, so that's kind of...
Well, there it is. Just one.
So where did I find the stuff that was talking about clicks?
Robot to put a pin
Oh, in
in
here.
an egg. Well, the answer's quite straightforward. It's to stop the egg from cracking when you...
Triggering built-in events is what I want. Maybe I need this stuff? No, it seems like dispatch events is just what I need. Like, that's all I need. I guess I can try this. I don't feel like this should be necessary, but maybe it is. Actually, let me look at. Let me try and find mouse events. If I can. Mouse. No. Okay, event. Oh. Okay. Mouse event. Yeah, mouse event. Let's see. All of these are optional. At least as far as I can tell. Da, 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 da. No. Okay. Well, I don't know then. Oh my god. Can try adding this anyway, even though it says it's optional. Maybe I'll figure out which part of it is actually optional, if it's not actually everything. Oops. Ah! Okay, let's reload. Nope, didn't change anything. Okay, let's get rid of this then. Doesn't seem like it does anything. Where was this? Okay. Like there's literally nothing else, it just... Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, href. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh, that's stupid. Hey, it worked! Wow, I'm a little bit mad at myself. But cool, it works. Whoops. Excuse me. Wow, okay, well, it works. So now what? Now what? I feel like this shouldn't be a function. This should be a bunch of promises, just like a chain of promises. So this isn't a promise, but do I need to make this a promise? Does it take time? It might take time. I don't know. Actually, I'm just gonna run the performance stuff. Can I make my CPU slow? Where is that? Where is that? That's not in here either. Where is that stuff? Thought it would be in here, but it's not. Okay, let's see. Chrome, CPU, throttling. I'm gonna close all of this because I don't need it anymore. Okay, CPU throttling. This is just a video. Oh, this is, well, this is a really old post, and it still has the timeline, which is not a thing that we have anymore. So that's great. Can I search for something recent? Past here. Okay, that's kind of old, but it has performance in it, so that's not... Wait, that's not what I have. Is it in here? Oh, it is in here. Never mind. I found it. Let's do 6 times. And reload. Well, wait, no. Okay, start recording. Oop, oop. It's gonna take a while because I've slowed it down 6 times and it's doing a bunch of resizes and stuff. Oh, it's done. Stop. Okay, let's look at this timeline and see how long it spent. Okay, it looks like it spent literally no time. It's not even showing up. So yeah, it spent no time at all. So it really doesn't matter if I just do this synchronously. Or wait, because this is a micro task, so maybe it is happening here. It is happening. Wait. Load image. Wait, okay. Step file. Anonymous. There's a serious function here being ran. Anonymous. Where is this? Anonymous at unknown. Great. Thanks. I don't know what that would be. There's load image here. I don't know what the anonymous function is. That's weird. There's a mysterious function here that is just... I don't know what it is. That's great. I mean, I can go look at my sources and maybe it will... Maybe it will tell me more. Where is this? Oh, it doesn't tell me line by line how much time was spent. Well, I don't know. That's weird though. I feel like it should tell me line by line. Whatever. .28 milliseconds. Okay, hang on. Let me try something. How do you make this a function? Function foo. I'm gonna take a file and return URL. URL. Create object URL. Actually, I might just make this a promise because I'm also using this down here. Yeah, I might just make this a promise. So let's see. Let's see, two objects. Oh, I guess file. So it's gonna return a new promise with resolve. Oops, resolve. Yeah, it's just gonna resolve with URL. Oops, URL create object URL file. That's it. Okay, and then here I'm gonna do URL is await to object URL file. I'm gonna do the same thing down here. We can push this into a micro task. Nice. To object URL. This is gross actually, I just realized. Wait. I'm gonna change that name to be to objects. No, to blob URL. To blob URL, and let's name this to blob URL. Okay, let's check that this still works first. I'm gonna end up with 1 million copies of this image folder. It doesn't work. Oh, it does work. Okay, so let's run the performance stuff on there. I don't know if that's actually going to run because it's not changing an image. Should maybe clear that thing. Yeah, I should clear that file inputs once this is done. So, let's see. Oh, haha. Then, because I believe this is automatically a... This is automatically a promise. Accept file automatically returns a promise because it is async. I believe. I hope so. I'm gonna make a function that is just going to do input. How do I clear a file input? JavaScript. Clear file input. Yes. No. No, that's stupid. That's not what I want. Set value property to empty or null. This is a bad answer. Why is this marked as correct? God damn it. I hate Stack Overflow. It sucks. It's bad. I mean, it's good. It solves many problems. Okay, value is null. Okay. Let's reload. Let's check that it actually does what I just told it to do, which is clear this once it's done. Once it's done. It did. It did. It did the thing. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's check out these tasks over here. What? Why is this like, why is this green? Run micro tasks. Accept file, load image. Okay, I don't see any time spent in... I don't know what's up with these anonymous functions, but I don't see any time spent in toblob URL. Can I search in this? I can maybe search in here. Bottom up. It's called okay, there are absolutely no symbols. Great. Okay, so I'm fine. I don't know why I'm spending so much time optimizing this specifically. I was just, well, I was worried that this would block the main thread, which it doesn't apparently. Fit to bounds. On the other hand, what does this do? wait, it doesn't actually return anything. It just creates a canvas and and then leaves. What the hell? That's not correct. Why does it do that? Okay, hang on. Should scale down. Okay, so const canvas is this. And then canvas height is height. Canvas width, and then canvas get context. What is it? Draw image, I believe. Draw image. Draw image. Where's my image? What is the name of my image? It is image. Conveniently. Image 0, 0. Okay, and then return canvas. Okay, because I need this. Well, I don't know that I need this to be a canvas. I think I do, because I think something broke when I didn't make this the canvas. Let's try it. Let's just see what happens if I go in here. I don't know why I reloaded. Well, I actually do need to reload. Yeah, here's a small image. Finds 2. There it is. Finds 2. That's the same image. Except it's recompressed to be slightly larger, probably. Let's see. This is the new one, 275, and the original is here, and it's 105 kilobytes. So yeah, it is bigger. Which makes sense because it compresses at 100% at the maximum quality, unless that doesn't actually fit in my size budget, which is 8 megs apparently. That seems too big. That seems too big. Like, I know that's the thing that Mastodon accepts, but I feel like uploading an 8 meg image is a lot on like mobile, on like 3G. That's annoying. That's a lot. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll make this a slider or something. I'll let you choose if you want 8 megs or 4 megs or fucking 300k. Which most images should be less than 1 meg anyway, but yeah. Because of their size, which is pretty small. See, like all of these are just under 1 meg. Okay. Anyway, let me delete all of these. Oops. Okay. Dun dun. Wow. I'll probably make all of this into an actual, like, library, or not quite a library, but, well, we'll see. I probably won't, like, publish this as a library, but I'll make this into an isolated function where you can just give it an image, or I guess a blob. Well, yeah, give it a blob. To blob URL. Maybe I should just call it to URL. It's already a blob. Let's just call it to URL. I hope that's not confusing. That's not gonna end up being confusing. I mean, I can always add a comment next, what it does. Okay. Let me actually comment. Let me put comments in each one of these to, like, explain what it actually returns, because for example, where was it? This one is kind of a weird one because it takes an image. It doesn't take a canvas. If you give it a canvas, it will fucking break. So this takes an image, or an HTML image element, and returns a canvas with the image resized to fit within the bounds defined as constants within, let's just say, to fit within max height and max width. Okay. Scale down takes takes an HTML. It doesn't actually take. Oh, it does take an HTML because it has a natural width and natural height. I don't actually know why. Well, whatever. Takes an HTML image element and a ratio to scale it down. Does it scale it down or up? To scale it down by. So like for example, e.g. target ratio equals 2 means output will as and returns a canvas, I assume. Yeah, a canvas with a resized image. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Let's see what else is here. To URL takes a blob or file and returns and I should have just made this async. That would have been cleaner. Async return blah blah blah. This is, I don't even know if I actually need to document this now. Takes a blob or file and returns a blob URL for it. Okay. Is that everything? Did I document every function already? No, I did not. Okay, this takes a canvas and what does it return? Oh, compress. Where's compress? Oh, there it is. This should also be async. Like, this is stupid. It just returns a promise that does one thing. Oh wait, no. Haha! No, I actually have to use this promise because this thing, canvas2blob, uses a callback. Like, just return. That's annoying. Okay, well, whatever. This one, though, is async. So it takes a canvas and... No, let me document this one first. I know what this one does. Takes an image, or... Takes an image URL and returns... an HTML image element when it is successfully loaded. I should probably also have a resolve and a... forget what's the name of the other thing. Waifu promises. That's my usual reference for promises. There we go. Wait, no, that's not it. Ah, where's the part where I define my own? Ah, there we go. Creating a promise from scratch. Okay, reject is what I was looking for. Reject. Like, I can call it what I want, but I would like to use a standard name. Excuse me, I keep burping because I've drank so much Coke. I guess image on error. Reject. Yes? Is that actually what it's called? HTML image elements. Ah, where are the events for it? Errors. Okay, on error. Great, great, great. Okay, brilliant. or rejects if it fails. Which shouldn't happen anyway, because in this scenario I'm just loading this image from... Am I actually loading this image from anywhere? Load image. No, I'm not even... Oh, can't spell. Image. I am. Why? Oh, because I need an H... Okay, yes. I'm loading this image so I can put it into a canvas. Okay. Okay, so then compress optimally takes a canvas and returns a blob. Well, I'm just gonna say canvas because fucking who cares? It takes an HTML canvas element. I do that for image because like that's otherwise that's just saying just image is a little bit ambiguous, but canvas isn't because like there's only one thing called canvas in JavaScript. Well, in the DOM in JavaScript, which is HTML canvas elements. Whereas image could be like, oh, it's an HTML image element or something. And sometimes you might say, oh, this image is like the URL to an image or something. It's a little bit confusing. Takes a canvas and returns a blob. JPEG version of this image that fits within max bytes or compressed to fit within max bytes as a blob. Rest with an R. Okay. I'm gonna put this on 2 lines. There we go. And then compress. Compresses. No. Takes a... What does it take? Canvas. And returns a blob. And a quality. A quality between our within 0, 1, and returns a blob, a JPEG, a blob within Okay. Let me get rid of this joke comment that just said compresses. Okay, that's every function except for accept file, which is kind of temporary because I'm gonna move stuff around. I think this is going to become just a big string of promises at some point. Yeah. Oh my god. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Okay. And is anyone actually watching my stream? Have I had a single viewer? No, it's just me. It's just me, because that was when I opened... Okay, well, whatever. It's fine, though. Why does it keep telling me my output is low? Because, like, that's true, it is low because I'm using VBR. Maybe I should set it to CBR. I think I can do that right now. CBR. Because it doesn't matter anyway, like this bitrate is only going out to YouTube and then YouTube is re-encoding it at a much higher bitrate, I believe. So that's still Business Funk. I don't often listen to the whole Business Funk. Okay, let me wait until this gets green, because I want to see it get. I'm gonna drink more Coke so I can burp more. Oh, it's also telling me my audio bitrate is too low. I don't think I can update that while streaming though. But maybe I should bump this up, because this is supposed to be my high bitrate profile, and I can definitely bump this up because it doesn't matter. It's YouTube anyway. It's going to. I usually use low-ish bitrates, not because of my internet, because my internet can definitely handle more than this, but because when I'm using a service that is different from YouTube, most of them don't transcode at all. Oh my god, please turn green. No, it doesn't want to turn, whatever. Get back to what I was doing. Most of them don't transcode at all, and so I try to go as low as possible on the bit rates so that people watching can watch with a lowish. I'm gonna take my medicine because it keeps reminding me. Find it. So I try to get as low as possible on the bitrate. Not well. I used to try and get as low as possible on the bitrate because my internet was bad, which gave me the skill to find ways to stream at really low bit rates, like at the hey, it went green at the lowest bit rate possible while still keeping it watchable. Like I managed to stream in 1080p 60, I believe, on Picarto, while my upstream bandwidth was like 400k or something. It was wild. So yeah, so I tried. This taught me how to do this, and now I try to do it when I'm streaming to another server. Went orange again. God fucking damn it. I don't know why it went orange. I'm supposedly sending 1500 and it says 746, which that's not correct. Can I see my bit rate at all? My live bit? No, it doesn't have a graph like Twitch Inspector. I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, so I taught myself this skill, and now I use it to try and get as low bitrate as possible while still remaining watchable, so that viewers can watch it with as small a bandwidth as possible. Because I know people with very bad internet. And so this, like, thanks, or because of them, or thanks to them, I tried to make it possible for them to watch. And this got me into the habit of just going as low as possible while still remaining watchable. Simply because there's not really a reason to go much higher, I feel. Like, it makes sense to go higher if you're like, if it's like a video on demand, but if it's a live stream, I don't think it matters much. Because that's not, you're not here for like image quality. I don't think, I don't know. I don't know what people are watching my streams for. Okay. This says that my file is changed. I don't remember why. Excuse me. Oh god. Okay. So this works. I think it might be time to start designing some UI, because Or maybe not designing, but doing something. Or maybe it is time to fucking comment this stuff, because it works. Works right now. So let's comment status. Oh, there's already a comment apparently. Right, it works on everyone's computer but me. Okay, let me get rid of this img index.html. Whoop whoop. Okay. Let me look at the diff. Excuse me. Okay, let me just do git commit a. It works! Exclamation marks. Okay, so there are a few things that I need to work on. One of them is UI. One of them is configurability, which is going to need UI first, and one of them is a service worker, because I want this to be available offline. Wow. Excuse me. Thing is, for a service worker, I'm going to either put a lot of work into it, or well, thing is, I'm going to need a build stage. Most likely, I'm going to need a build stage. So, I don't know exactly how to do this. I think I should just try and use Workbox and like try and figure out Workbox. Let me find Workbox. Is it not Workbox? There it is, Workbox. Workbox. Okay, how do I don't have any of these right now. I guess I'll use Webpack because I don't know how to use npm. Well, I do know how to use npm scripts, I guess. Click on that. Da, da, da. Why is this on glitch? Wait. Why is this on glitch? Why is this on glitch? This is so strange. I am very confused. Okay, there's apparently a CLI that I can use. Only global, which, well, I mean, it requires me to install it as global, which I don't want to do that. I don't feel like doing that. I want to work directly in your service work. What does that mean? What? What is that? I am really confused right now. I think I might not actually use Workbox. It started. Now this is just take me to examples. This is just gonna take me to the fucking glitch project again. Yeah. Oh my god. Troisième partie. Third part. You know what? I'm sick of Business Funk right now, actually. A 4. I don't know how my levels actually, because I haven't checked. I hope this is. This seems fine. Maybe I'll lower a little bit. Hello. 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 My noise gate or my compressor. Why is this 3? This should be at 1. I'm feeling like this is too 0. Wait, can I set this to 0? Beautiful. Maybe I just want to disable the noise keys entirely. Let me look at my levels and check that they go lower than the desktop audio when I'm stopped talking. They do, but they stay still kind of high, kind of hot. So maybe, let's see. Hello. Let me stay kind of, well, let me turn off the compressor. Hello. Hey, what's up? Hey. Okay, it seems like 30 is a good place to be. Okay, maybe I could actually, wait, let me turn off the noise gate. Just realized I still had it on. Okay, it seems like maybe it seems like 45 is a good place to be, which is already where it is. Oops. Also, I must be very low right now. I'm sorry about that. I don't know if anyone is actually watching this in cinematic, but I should actually lower my computer so that I am hearable. Yeah, I can probably lower this to at least 35. I need to stop pressing enter. Okay, let me turn these back on. Hello, now I must be loud again. We're moving this back up again. Okay, I can put this away. Man, I don't want to figure out the workbox. I'll just build my own fucking thing. Sure. Beautiful. We're beautiful, we're beautiful now. Okay, what I need to build a service worker. Service worker primer. Sure, yes. Sure. Okay. You need HTTPS. I don't think I do on localhost. I don't. Excuse me. GitHub pages. Fuck off. Fuck off. Okay, so I just run. Okay. Let me put that in my main.js. Main.js, and also go to service worker.js. I don't know why everyone calls it sw.js, which is kind of, it's too short. I did that. I took my medicine. Stop reminding me, Jerome. Oops. Wait, I have another message. Oh. Okay. Why is he Fox now? He just stopped paying attention for like half an hour and now he's a fox. Okay, whatever. So let's go. I guess let's just go down here and do service workers. Whoops, it says hello lol now. Service worker registrar. registration. Okay, whoops. If... Do I even need to do that way? Yes, I do, because it's not in all browsers yet. It's not in IE. It is not in... Is it in Safari yet? Can I use... iuse.com. Service workers. It is not in Safari. It is in the next version of Safari. But it is not currently in Safari. It's not in the current version of Edge right now. Not globally. It's not in IE, but no one fucking cares about IE. Okay, it's in everything else. I don't know what UC browser is. I keep seeing it and can I use it? And I don't know what it is. And I assume it is just built on top of Chrome or something. I know Samsung Internet is just a fork of Chrome. Which I believe they do a lot of work actually on Samsung Internet, which that's fun, that's good. I believe their UI is very different as well. I don't know about UC browser and I don't care enough to look into it right now. Okay, so if service worker in navigator. I don't know why I added the spaces like the example did, because that's not how I type. That's not how I code. Okay. Add event listener load. Why? I mean, no, I'm not gonna do that. Fuck that. I'm pretty sure this script loads on fur anyway, so let me check. Index. It does load on the fur, so it's not going to run until it runs on the fur, so it doesn't run until the page is loaded. Wait, nope. Navigator. Oh my god, navigator. Service worker. Register. No, service. Oops. Well, actually, yeah. Service worker.js. I feel like service workers had to be a special MIME type, or was that a thing that they had played with for a while? Because it seems like it works on GitHub pages, which doesn't support any kind of special MIME types. It's just those like JS, HTML, images, and that's it. JSON, I believe, and that's pretty much it. Okay, then, whoops. Then I'm just gonna say, console sol log. Yay! Okay, so there's nothing in my service worker right now, so, but it should still register fine. Look at the console. Oh no, I broke it. What did I do? What did I do? Okay. It didn't say yay. Oh, whoops. Did I not? Oh, I didn't save it. It was not saved. Okay, yay! I have a service worker. I can get rid of this now. Don't need it anymore. Okay, so I've got the service worker. It errored. That's weird. Doesn't actually say anything in here, but it's redundant. Whatever that means. I guess it's just like, oh, it's empty. Oh no, never mind. There it is. Where to? That's weird. That's weird. That's strange. Why is that here? Oh no, okay. I thought I crashed my fucking DevTools by trying to open this, but it did freeze for a couple seconds. I don't know why it's showing me 2 of these. Unregister. Okay, weird. Okay. So it works. Great. Brilliant. So let's start working on the service worker. Get it? Working on the worker? Very funny. I have 3 notifications on here. Pick live. Oh, right, I need to watch this. Ugh. Can't add to watch later from here. That's annoying. Okay, let me get back to here. Let me close some of this stuff like this, this, and this. This I'm gonna keep open. Okay, I don't remember how to make a service worker. Okay, so let's go into... What are these vars? These should be consts. Const cache version is v0. Let's call it v0 for now. Or you know what? I'm gonna call it dev0, and I'm just gonna increment this, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna start calling it v something. No, const URLs. Nah. No, cache name is going to be, whoops, is going to be squish. No, I'm gonna put a this is extremely Java, but I like being very sure that I'm not going to conflict with anything. So const I don't know, files. No, fuck it. Self add event listener install const cache name prefix. There we go. Cache name is going to be cache prefix. Cache prefix. Whoops. Cache version. This feels low. I don't know if that's just because my headphones are a different level as they usually are because I'm streaming, or what. I don't know. Okay, self-add event listener install. Okay. Oh wait, there's an event. Do I need... Oh, I do need the event. Okay. Events. Why is that brown? It shouldn't be brown. I think that's actually yellow. Okay, so wait until... Okay, event, wait until... Okay, first I need to delete... I need to delete any caches that... I need to go through the caches, delete any that are not the current one. I believe there's a way to iterate through caches. Cache storage. Ah, there we go. That's what I want. Caches, blah 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 blah. Okay, so cache storage is probably... No, this is not. This is just one cache. I need caches plural. Oh, never mind. This is actually what I wanted. Blah blah blah. Okay, open gives me a cache. Match. Okay, that's not what I want. Has, no. Keys. Okay, so keys gives me all of the... Okay. So... I'm probably going to do promise all. Whoops. Nice. Okay, so promise all. So caches keys. Then is there a way to like to map over fuck it, who cares? Caches, oh no, not caches, cache names for name of names of cache names, cache names. Oops. Try to warn you. I try to warn you. If name starts with cache name and name is not oops, no, wait, cache prefix, and name is not cache name, then I am going to delete that cache. Oh, it's a promise. So can I return from a promise? Can I return a list of promises? Fuck. Let me go back to Tony Fu promises. Such a beautiful thing. I guess I'm gonna use promise all. Such a beautiful thing. I guess what I can do is do I can do I can return promise all map. How do I map in Javascript? Oh, it's like cache names map name. Whoa, why is this here? There we go. Wait. Ah, no, I'm confused by all of these parentheses. Why is this here? This shouldn't be here. Yes, okay. There we go. Okay, so, I've got my name and I need to return a promise. So if, shit, I deleted the fucking thing. I should not have deleted that. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. The world in tears. And after the break, a puppy who can dance.
This is Tanya DeFries of KWTF News after suffering second and third degree burns during a demonstration of her own line of vanishing cream. Fashion mogul Beirut has announced that she will spend the rest of her life wearing an iron mask.
So if it starts, then return, turn, caches, delete, name. And otherwise, can I just return like none or something? Or no, rather. Let me look at the reference for promises all. Or promise all. Whoops, all, yes. Or when the iterable argument contains no promises. Okay, so if I can just test this. Promise all. Let's get an array, and I'm gonna give it a null and a function that takes resolve and returns resolve. I'm an idiot. Let's p is this, and then p resolve. P. Fuck. How do I like force a promise to like finish? Resolve. What is a promise? Blah blah blah. Then, what if I don't want to use then? What if I just want to like resolve a promise? Like right now. I swear I can do that. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Okay, but that's not what I was looking for though. Let me put this away because it's on top of the text I'm trying to read. It doesn't seem like this is... Oh my god. Okay, well, resolve, then... not resolve. Then... You know what? I'm just gonna look at the... Promise. Promise. Well, no. Resolve just gives me a promise that is already resolved. This race, promise, then catch. Finally. Weird. Well, it doesn't seem like I can actually like force a promise to finish here and now, except when I have an async, I guess, an async thing. So p then console log. Yes. Yes. Okay, great. So it did work, and it didn't care about my argument that was a null. So that's great. I can then just not return anything. And then I don't actually need these. Okay, so I've got my keys. I've deleted the ones that are not the cache that I want, and that still match my cache prefix, because I don't want to delete every cache. Because if I have maybe other things on the same domain, I don't want to delete caches that don't actually match my cache prefix. So I've got this, and then I'm gonna make another promise that's going to cache open, cache name, then cache let's see, cache Cache storage, there it is. Oh, no, cache is actually what I want, not cache storage. Cache. So I got match all, which I don't want any of these at all.
Graffiti is the written word. There's the spoken word of rap music.
I believe add all is what I want.
Wait a minute.
Before we get started,
Turn back the clock.
I don't want to listen to this. Or this. Or this. No. Sure. Cache, add all. Let me actually make that array. Const, cache contents. Okay, let's make an array. And inside it is going to be index.html and main.js, and that's it for now. Okay, add all cache contents. There will be at some point some like a cache busting. Right now I cannot be bothered to do that, but at some point there will be some of that. Anyway, that's good. It should do the trick. Oops, that's not supposed to be there. So that's good. My cache should fill. Let me check. Unexpected token if. Okay, so I do actually need these braces here. Oops. Okay, where's that? 16. So what is, it says yay, because it did actually, okay. Let me get rid of that. And let me just do that and do that into the void. Not care if it actually worked or not. That's too many parentheses. Okay. So where was this? I might be missing one here actually. Yes, I am. Right, because I didn't have the map at the time. Cache is not defined. What? What? Oh, caches. Hey, okay. It is waiting to activate. Oh, yeah, that's when, okay, I need to also do that. Oh god, okay, so promise all, and then I'm going to skip waiting, which I don't remember how to do that. Service this worker. Is it just on here that there's a skip waiting? Oh, global scope. Okay, it's probably here. Skip waiting. Okay, there it is. Okay, skip waiting. Then skip waiting. Okay. Hey, it's here. I don't know why it says that there's 8 errors, because I don't see any of them in here. I don't know. Let's look at my cache, which should have the 2 files, index.html and main.js. It does. Maybe what I should do is in here, map. Cache contents map, file, File, and then just add cache bust equals. It's gonna be cache version. Oops, in uppercase cache version. Okay, and then hopefully, well, this is not. Well, it should actually update. No, it shouldn't. But if I do this, well, it should actually update. Yes. It should add, there we go. Now there's 2 copies of this, because there's one with and one without the cache bust. Okay, so that's great. Oh, wait, is that going to be a problem? This might be a problem. Okay, let's not do that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. I'll figure out a better way to cache bust this stuff later. Okay. So, and then I need to add some stuff to fetch stuff from the cache instead of fetching stuff from the internet, which is what is currently happening. Well, from the internet, from localhost, but you know. So how do I do fetch? Self, add event, list, donair, fetch. Whoops. Event. Okay. Event responds with caches match. Event request. Event request. Whoops. Then, well, that should be it. That should be it. Right? Like, I'm not ever going to actually fetch from the internet, so that should just work. Well, yeah, that should just work. Assuming you don't go and fuck with your caches, which you could, so maybe I should actually catch. Okay, and then wait, if response, so it actually that's weird. So if it doesn't match, it doesn't reject, it just resolves with nothing. That's kind of weird. Okay, well, whatever. Then a response. If response return response return fetch event request. Okay. Okay, that should work. Oh no, I broke it. I broke it. What have I done? Let's see. I probably forgot something somewhere. I don't see where. 27. I don't see a problem. Oh, I do see a problem there. Okay. Okay, it should be running, and if I look at my network and I refresh, that's all from the service worker. Hooray! If I disable the cache, it shouldn't even Oh, it did load from this. That's weird. It said 0 bytes. That's strange. Maybe that's just broken because it's coming from the service worker. Maybe if I actually went and how do I debug the service worker directly? How do I get the, let's see, Chrome service worker internals, inspect. Okay, network. Let me reload here. Wait, what? That's weird. That's not at all. Wait, what? Oh, right. Okay. Let me go in here and actually change this to dots. Okay, and then hopefully that will fix it. Of course, this is gonna break because this is not. Oh, actually, it's still here. This is weird. Oh, this might be because it's loading the service worker from cache. So it's like, it's going, oh, I should update the service worker, and then it's like, oh, wait, I've already seen this. No, never mind, it's a new one, so I don't know what is happening. Excuse me. I don't know. I mean, I could try slash, but I don't want that. From service worker. If I look at this service worker, oh, I closed it. Inspects. Okay, let's reload. Okay, there's no network activity at all. Brilliant. That's not correct though, because I don't want the slash. I mean, I could assume that this is always going to be run from the root. Wow, I'm getting sleepy, and it is getting late. Maybe I should stop here. Whoops. Anyway, it works. So that's nice. I will... Well, you know what? I'm going to... const... index... is going to be index.html. I'm going to change that at some point when there is, and when there starts being stuff. Const cache contents is going to be index plus I don't know what to call this, like assets. And it's gonna have main.js without the leading slash. Index and assets. Okay, and then blah 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 blah. If okay, let's make a function here. Stop it. Okay, let's bring this forwards. Okay, return. So, if let's see, if event request request. I don't know what requests actually look like, so requests Okay. Request method, request URL. See, the thing is, I don't know how to tell if this is my route. I can probably go into the service worker. Can I get the registration from like the global scope? Can I just get the registration? Updates, active, waiting, going on register. That's not what I want actually. Global scope. Client's registration. Okay. It's not like it doesn't. Okay, great. So I do get the registration and then scope. I'm just gonna go in here and just comment out everything for now. This is a little bit dirty, but whatever. I can't fucking. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is console log self. Oh no, wait. Is it self? No, it is self. Self registration. Is it self? No, I don't want to use self actually. Registration scope. I mean, I can probably look that up in here. Oh no, because service worker oh, that's not the right window. I don't know why I have a console open here. So let me go in here. It doesn't actually say. It doesn't say the scope in here. Great, brilliant. Okay, let's see if it logs anything. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna try going up one thing here. Whoops. And starting a server, and I'm gonna go to /squish. I'm gonna delete this service worker. Go away. Leave. Okay, whatever. Squish. Okay, great. So it goes. Okay, so I can just say like, does it match the scope? In that case, then just go to index.html or to, well, I don't know what this is, an array. It shouldn't be an array. Just need this to be an array here. Okay. So I'm gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna top this up. Well, no, because, well, I deleted it, but it doesn't matter. Whatever. So in here, if event requests, what was it? Request. Request URL is, what was it? Registration scope. Then I am going to, can I, no, I can't edit that. So I'm just gonna do, okay, I'm gonna do, let match. Match is, cache is match, index. Else match is, cache is match event dot request. Okay, and then return match, then response if response return response, otherwise fetch. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm gonna stay with this this setup where I'm at like /squish, so I can check that everything works. Okay. Oop. Oh no, I broke it. Okay. What did I break? And that's why I don't drink and drive. 39. Well, I just deleted 2 lines, so that's gonna not match. Oh, that's not supposed to be here. Oh, why is this back? Wait, no, that's correct. Ah. Okay, what is the deal? What is the problem here? It did load the new one, right? Yes. Let me reload. Nope, still broken. Line 38. That's the one. What? Oh, haha. Okay, I keep doing this, where I just add a semicolon where I shouldn't add a semicolon. Maybe I should do the new modern JavaScript thing where... What? Oh my god. Console, log, cache, oops. Cache, contents. Oh, fuck me. Are you serious? Come on. How do I fucking concatenate 2 arrays in JS? JS concat arrays. Are you fucking serious? Array concat. Kill me. Oh my god. Concat. I forgot what I was saying. I was saying something very smart, I'm sure. Okay, so it worked. It loaded my stuff. This one loaded from this cache for some reason. That's fun. That's great. And let's reload, and hopefully everything should load from the cache. It didn't broke. It didn't broke. Response. An object that was not a response was passed to respond with. Okay, that's fun and exciting, and that shouldn't happen. I have been made new. What the hell? What does that mean? Oh, I'm a fucking... Oh, wait. Breathe and I'll carry you away into the velvet sky, and we'll stir the stars around and watch them fall away into the Hudson Bay and plummet out of sight and sound. The open summer breeze will sweep you through the hills where I live. Okay, now it doesn't say anything in here. That's exciting too. Oh my god. Can I... How do I set this to not empty? When... Okay, it's probably in here. Preserve a log. There we go. It doesn't show me anything in the cache though, in the log. But it should. That's kind of weird. I'm just gonna make it say burp twice. It doesn't say anything. Interesting. Console log hello. Oops. Okay, let me open the dedicated thing because it seems like it is not going to show me anything. So let's get back in here. Get this open. I'm gonna just get the console. This always on top. Okay. Reload. Nothing. It doesn't log anything. What in the world? That's weird. That's strange. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there?
Are you there? Or are you just a decoy dream? Am I home or am I simply tumbling all alone?
I'm confused. I mean, I know what's up here, which is that this is not a promise, but a function that returns a promise, and I could just do promise resolve. Wait, could I do that? I'm not sure I can do that actually. No, what I can do instead is... Whoops. Is all this. And then instead of doing a return response... fuck. All of my stuff is wrong now. Okay. I'm not gonna return anything, but... and then response or fetch event request, then event responses respond with, and that should work. I don't need to return anything. Wait, this is bad though. This is not good. Because it's going to complain, because it's going to leave this function, and well, let's see what happens.
You would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies lit up.
Okay, unexpected token. That's fun. This keeps happening. I'm terrible at computers. Okay, what's happening? I'd like to make myself believe planet Earth turns slowly. I don't know what 38. Huh. Oh, right, wait. Yes, right. Oh, whoops, everything is wrong. Everything I know is wrong. There we go. Okay. What? Okay. Hello? Why is it not updating my service worker? Disable cache. Please update my service worker. Please? There's an empty one. That's exciting. No, I want to fucking... Okay, let me close and reopen the DevTools. Okay, there we go. Update. Okay, there's no update. That's exciting. Exciting and very annoying. Let me check that it actually deleted the old caches. It did! Hooray! I'm really good at computers. I may bump this up. Hello burp. And it's complaining about response or fetch is not a function. That's yeah, I know. Oh, then is what? What? Okay, let me look at the more complex examples. So, event respond with da 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 da. No, wait. Yeah, no, I don't want that. Update the service worker. Oh my god. Okay, maybe here there's some stuff for me. Wow, that's a lot of things. Okay, so I think I actually have to do event respond with. I'm not sure what's up with the error that I'm getting. It seems odd, and I'm not sure why it's happening, but either way, I believe I actually have to send a promise to event respond with within this whatever it's called, within this like event, within the handling of this event. Like if I exit this, then it's gonna say, oh well, there's nothing, I'm just going to go to the network, and meanwhile I'm doing my fetch and stuff, and then it's just gonna go into nothing. So I'm gonna do event respond. I'm gonna go back to what I was doing earlier, which was event respond with actually, well, here's the thing. I'm gonna do this up here. Because I can do that up here. Yeah. Because none of this actually runs here. It's just like a promise. And then respond with da 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 da. Match then. Response if response response return response return fetch event requests. Get rid of this and oh god, this goes up here and this closes here and then this closes this. Good. Okay. Let me bump the cache version again because I'm not sure if I need to. Oh, okay. What's up this time? What line is this? Oh, this shouldn't be here. Okay, it says burp 3 times now, which is exciting. Oh, of course. Event request URL. It's fetching main.js twice. Or... no, it's not. Never mind. Everything's fine. Let's make this say fart instead. Okay, great. Burp and fart. I've got a burp, I've got a fart. Great. Okay, seems to be working great. I wonder what happens if I... There's something that worries me, and it's what if... oh no, never mind. No, it's fine. It's fine. No, it's not fine. It's not fine because what if I have 2 copies of Squish on the same domain, which would be really weird, but whatever. And one of them updates, and then I tried... no, so one of them updates, changes the cache version to dev4, deletes dev3, and then I tried to load the older version, which doesn't have the service worker updated yet, so it's still fetching from dev3, but dev3 is missing. And so it doesn't even fetch from the internet, it just breaks. So I think I need to add to my cache name the or to my cache prefix actually, the origin. So let me change this. Beep. Whoops, there we go. Registration origin. Okay, and I'm gonna go and manually delete this one because automatically delete. And yeah, that should be good. I'm gonna bump the version just for good measure, even though that doesn't really mean anything in this case. But anyway, now it should have... oh, undefined. That's exciting.
Hang on.
That is exciting. Registration. That's... oh, it's not origin, scope. God damn it, scope! Okay, let's manually delete this again. I didn't do anything. Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay. Great. Great. Okay. Fantastic. Tablet footprints in your hair.
Everyone needs to hang on tighter just to keep from being thrown to the wolves.
Tablet footprints everywhere. We can't be silent, cause they might be giants. Okay, well, my service worker seems to be service working. I get it? Get it? It's really funny. So it's good. I'm gonna add it to, I'm gonna commit this into Git. Let's see, diff. I just have the registration and then git add. Git, no, wait. Git rm cached image.jpg. Okay, git status. Okay, great. Diff cached. I hope I don't have any like console. No. Okay. Commit. Add service worker. Wow, offline. That's super cool and neat. Great. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for now because it's almost 1 AM and I'm getting real sleepy. And also, I don't think anyone is actually watching still. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Bye. If you watch this in VOD, then sorry that you missed the stream. And if you're not watching this in a VOD, then how? Anyway, see ya. Have a good time.